Americans drink 517 million cups of coffee every single day. But that $5 latte is the end of a 14,000-mile war.
The U.S. coffee market is worth $125 billion. It is the second most traded commodity on Earth, second only to oil.
But the surplus is gone. For the first time in a decade, global demand is outstripping supply.
In 2026, climate change has sent prices to a 10-year high. We are losing the land that makes your morning possible. The bean belt is shrinking. By 2050, half of the world's coffee-growing land will be gone. Farmers are quitting. When a harvest fails, the next generation doesn't stay to replant. They move to the cities. It's a biological war. La Roya, coffee leaf rust, is wiping out entire mountain ranges of Arabica.
Before it hits the roaster, your coffee passes through 15 different hands. Importers, exporters, and middlemen. It is a 14,000-mile logistics war. Every mile adds a tax. Every border adds a delay. The biggest cost isn't the bean. It's the real estate. Labor and rent account for 75% of your bill.
Inflation is eating the margins. What was once a daily habit is now a luxury debt.
Fraying supply lines mean the beans that survived the drought never even reach the factory.
Energy costs are skyrocketing. Roasting the bean is now as expensive as growing it.
The old model is breaking. To save the bean, we have to reinvent it from the atom up. We are entering the era of functional coffee. It's no longer just a drink, it is a performance drug.
The solution? Lab-grown coffee. Real molecular coffee grown in a bioreactor without the need for a single farm. This uses 90% less water and 0 pesticides. We are saving the flavor while healing the planet.
We've mapped the genome. We can now tune the flavor of your cup at a molecular level without a single pesticide.
Production is moving from the jungle to the city. Local biofactories mean 0 shipping delays.
The world is changing, but coffee is forever. Every sip is a global miracle. Are you paying attention?